Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to add 2 on the abacus. I hope you have seen the previous video and practiced enough about how to add 1 on the abacus. So let us begin. Right now, as you can see, the abacus is at 0 state. So now we'll start by adding 2 at the units place. So for adding 2, all you have to do is use your thumb and bring up 2 beads and touch them to the bar, but you don't have to do them individually. This is 1 plus 1 2, and this is directly adding plus 2. So I'll repeat. What you have to do is simply bring up 2 beads using your thumb and touch it to the mid bar. To add more 2, you have to do the same thing. 2 plus 2, this is 4. Now to add more 2, as you can see, there is no bead below the bar, so what we have to do is we have to add 5, but we were supposed to only add 2, so what we do is we subtract 3 using our thumb, and that's how we get 4 plus 2 6. I'll repeat again. We are at 4, we have to add 2, but as you can see, there are no lower beads, so what we do is we add 5, but we were only supposed to add 2, so we subtract 3, and that's how we get 6, because 5 minus 3 is 2. Then again, if we have to add 2, we just simply bring up these 2 bits up, and that's how we get 8. Now as you can see, there are no other beats, so when we have to add 2, we take up tens place and we add 10 and subtract 8, and that's how we get 8 plus 2 10. I'll repeat. We were at 8, we have to add 2, but as you can see, there are no other beats, so what we do is we add 10, but we were only supposed to add 2, so we subtract 8, as 10 minus 8 is 2, and that's how we are adding only 2. Now from 10, again we repeat the same procedure. We get 12, 14, add 5, subtract 3, you get 16, add 2, 18, add 10, subtract 8, 20, add 2, 22, add 2, 24, add 5, subtract 3, 26, add 2, 28, add 10, subtract 8, 30. Now these kind of things are the rules that for now you have to remember them, but after some time they will become pretty intuitive, and all you have to do is, suppose if you are at 4 and you have to add 1, all you have to do is add 5 and subtract 4. If you are at 3 and you have to add 2, all you have to do is add 5, subtract 3. If you are at 9, you have to add 1, you have to add 10 and subtract 9. If you are at 8 and you have to add 2, you have to add 10 and subtract 8. That's how you have to do it. Now let's take up some more examples. For example, let us take up 48. Now you have to add 2 in 48, but as you can see, there are no beads on the units place, so we have to take the help of tens place. But as you can see, to add on tens place, there is 40. Now to add 10, what you have to do is add 50 and subtract 40. That's how we are adding 10, and then subtract 8, and that's how from 48 plus 2 you get 50. I'll repeat. You are at 48, you have to add 2. As you can see, there are no beads at the units place, so we have to take the help of tens place. But even at tens place, all the beads are used up, and that's why we have to take the help of 50. And as we are adding 50, but we are only supposed to add 10, we subtract 40 and we subtract 8, as we had at 10. So that's how from 48 we go to 50. So to do it, what you have to do is use your thumb and index finger and swipe up 8, and use your middle finger to bring down 50, and use your forefinger to bring down 40, and that's how you get 50. From 48 you get 50. Now suppose you are at 9 and you have to add 2. You have to repeat the same procedure. You have to add 10 and subtract 8, that is 11. So just remember this basic fact, like if you are at such a point that there are no beats to be added at units place, and you have already taken the help of 5, then all you have to do is add 10 and subtract 8. For example, 38, you have to add 10 and subtract 8. Suppose you are at 39, so you have to add 10 and subtract 8, and that's how you get 41. Suppose you are at 99. Now again, when you have to add 2, all you have to do is add 10 and subtract 8. That's how you get 101. Now to add 10 over here, you have to take up the help of hundreds place. So you have to bring up 100, subtract 90, so you are eventually adding 10 and then subtract 8, and that's how you get 101. I hope you have understood this. There are some exercises that you should go through and take up some examples, like I have shown in the previous video, using the random number generator, and try it on your own. In the next video I'll be discussing that, but for now you have an exercise, and the exercise is, keep adding twos like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Go on until maybe 100 or 1000, as long as it takes for you to get comfortable with it. And then first take up one and then start adding two, like 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49, 51, and so on. So that's all for this today's video, and like, share and subscribe. It is totally free and your support means a lot to us. Thank you.